Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I want to introduce you to a new townhouse community here in Charlotte, and I'm going to answer 3 questions in this video. 1, where is it located and why that's even relevant? 2, who is this new townhouse community ideal for? And number 3, what are the prices to enter into this community and why it has me so excited to share it with you. Stick around. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. And if you're interested in any one of those things, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. All right, I'm not going to keep you waiting. This is a new townhouse community called Pringle Towns or Pringle Townhomes, and it's by Pulte. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Pulte Homes is based out of Atlanta, Georgia, but it's the 3rd largest home builder in the entire country. And they have several communities, townhouse communities and single family communities right here in the greater Charlotte area. I teased about this community about a month ago, and I've been chomping at the bit to share it with you. I've taken drone shots multiple times because I just knew that the pricing was going to be ideal. And finally, this past week, they released the pricing, and I get to share this with you. Now, I promise you, I will get to the pricing shortly, but first, let's go over the 2 other things that stand out about this community. The first thing that stands out about this community is its location. The Pringle Townhomes community, as I said, is in Still Creek, and those of you who are unfamiliar with Still Creek, it is in South Charlotte. I'll pull it up on a map for you. And this particular community is located 5 minutes off of 45, and it's 15 to 20 minutes from Uptown Charlotte. Now, if you live in this community, you do not have to get on the highway to get to Uptown. You can jump onto 45 and get onto 77, or you can take Tryon all the way into town. Also, you have Berwick Town Center, which is 3 minutes away from this community. And that town center, I've highlighted in other videos, but it has restaurants, grocery stores, a UPS store, nail salons. And then if you go an additional minute, so 4 minutes away, you have Carolina Premium Outlets, and that mall has just about any store you can think of, from Ann Taylor, Coach, Old Navy to Saks Fifth Ave. It has a little bit of everything. And to top it off, no pun intended, there's also a Top Golf within a mile of this townhome community. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button if you're getting any value out of this. Or feel free to hit that thumbs down button if you don't like videos like this either. Either way, I just appreciate the feedback, and it gives me a feel for what kind of videos you all like to see. All right, back into it. If you have not been to Top Golf, it is an amazing time. You can go with a group of friends and be all serious about golfing and hitting from the tees. Or you can be like the 99% of us who just go there, have some drinks, have some food, and just chill with a group of people. So this townhome community is centrally located right off the highway. I'm going to put some drone footage over me in this video so you can see just how close this community is from the highway and shopping centers. Now let's talk about who these townhouses are ideal for. The townhouses range in size from 1,400 square feet to just under 1,900 square feet, and some floor plans even have a 2-car garage. This community is for people who want a maintenance-free lifestyle and enjoy convenience. Because this is a townhouse community, the HOA takes care of all your yard work and outdoor maintenance, so you do not have to worry about any of that. And you have everything at your disposal, from groceries to restaurants to gyms. There's multiple gyms in the location, I didn't mention that. And you can jump right onto the highways and get to anywhere in the Charlotte area within about 20 to 30 minutes. This community is also ideal for investors who want to secure an affordable property that will always, and I mean always, have demand and command high rent. Still Creek is the 2nd highest appreciating area in all of the greater Charlotte area, and it only trails Ballantyne. Now, the Pringle Towns community offers 3 different floor plans as of right now, and they offer 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom options with a 1-car or 2-car garage. So it's enough space for a family, but it's also cozy enough for people who are retired, single, or just graduated college. And the price point makes it affordable for just about everyone. Now, let's talk about price. Now, these are launch prices, and with new home construction, the launch price or the entry price is always the cheapest. Now, I say cheapest, always the lowest, because after about 4 or 5 sales, they increase prices every 4th or 5th sale. So you can get in right now at just under $258,000, and that's for the Griffin floor plan, which has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and just under 1,500 square feet. Now, to put that into perspective, the median home price for the greater Charlotte area is just around $290,000 or $300,000. So you can get into a brand new townhouse and not have to worry about any yard work or outdoor maintenance, and you're centrally located, and you only have to pay the price of $258,000 for the Griffin floor plan. It is truly a remarkable price point for the product that you're getting in its excellent location. Now, the pricing for all the floor plans range between just under $258,000 to just over $300,000. Now, remember, I just mentioned it before. Pricing for new communities, especially new townhouse communities, can be a little bit tricky. So you want to be one of the early people that gets in so you can lock in the rock bottom prices. And it's not uncommon if you're a first person in a community or development to be able to have anywhere from $40,000 to $70,000 equity by the time the entire community is done. Because, like I said, builders, after 4 or 5 homes that they sell, they up the prices each time. So you can get in at $258,000 right now, and that equates to a mortgage payment, not including the HOA, insurance, or taxes, to just over $1,000 a month. You will be hard pressed to find a brand new rental that is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, around 1,500 square feet for any less than $1,400 a month right here in the Still Creek area. So a mortgage payment of just over $1,000 is truly attractive. Now, before I let you go, remember this community is called the Pringle Townhomes by Pulte. Do not miss out on it. I've been waiting and waiting to produce this video, but we did not have any pricing, so there really wasn't much I could talk about other than its location, which is excellent, but I didn't want to hype you up about a community without being able to share the pricing with you. If you're interested in it, my team and I would love to represent you and make sure that your needs are covered and being looked out for. Remember, when you're buying a home, having a real estate agent work for you is absolutely free. The sellers pay for it. And in this case, the builders are already paying for it and they have it priced in to the price you're going to pay. So you might as well have somebody that's going to look out for your best interest, because their sales reps are there to make the builders the most money. Give us a call, shoot us a text, reach out. Our contact information is on the screen. My name is Sir Ashley, your Charlotte Real Estate Advisor, and I will talk to you soon.